Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish. This casting is by Matchbox and it's new for 2026 and it's from mainline. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So before we deep dive into it, let's have a quick look, and I can already see there are a lot of good details, and I think the color looks good. So here's the 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish out of its box, and the first thing that catches my eye is this paint and wheel combo, and it looks really good. The green paint has like appropriate amount of flakes, not really flaky or or really flat, and the golden wheels look good. Though we have seen these wheels on so many different Matchbox, obviously in different paint, here it looks good. Now I'm gonna go to the front. So in the front, you've got some nice details. You've got detailed headlamp, Aston Martin badge, and you got this vent in the hood. Thing I would have loved if they had like detailed their grille. It would have made it look so much better. But again, it's a mainline, so I'm not complaining that much. You also get this lower splitter finished in black, which looks good. This is a bit disappointing, especially with Matchbox mainline standards. There are no mirrors or windshield wipers. And well, if it was Hot Wheels, I would let it go, but Matchbox, they do such a good job with their mainline casting, and missing this, a bit disappointing, I would say. Since we are here, just let's have a quick look at the top. So you can see the entire part is glass. So they have used like two partitions here just to show the difference. There's no difference in tint, unlike some of their casting where they have roof tinted, so it looks different from the glass. And you can see the interior finished in black from here. Now going to the driver's side, back to the driver's side. Flush door handles, so obviously they're not detailed, they're painted, body colored, because they are same in actual life. And then you have this grille, signature Aston Martin piece on the side. I like the shape, the black, I would say lower part continues from front to the back. Again in the back, tail lamp, you can see where it is, but it's not painted. You got quad exhaust, a big diffuser at the bottom. Looks good. You got a small spoiler at the trunk, like I would say inbuilt spoiler kind of thing, part of the body. Passenger side looks almost identical and still looks beautiful. I wish they did mirrors in this one, would have made it look so much better. So this is how it looks from the top, and this is how the base looks. No details on the base, just the name. Yeah, they've been like, even Matchbox is going less on details on the base, so it's Hot Wheels. I don't mind that on main lines if they provide better details on the actual casting, but when it comes to premiums or collectors, then I expect them to have details on the base too. But yeah, apart from that, I think it's a really good looking mainline casting. If you can add details on the tail lamp and the grille, it will make it look even better. Sadly, I'm not that great with adding details. But yeah, I think it's a good casting, looks good, and if you find one, I think you're gonna like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.